Are we really about to do this? What? Now I'm going 70. I'm getting like passed really fast on 46. Don't know why.
OD.
Seriously, like OD, like unsafe. Oh my god, he just crashed.
The truck driver was going way too fast and wasn't able to stop in time for the cars ahead. He hit the curb, spun out, and then hit the guardrail. The driver thankfully had no injuries, and the camera stopped to help and gave police the footage. The Mustang driver lost control and slammed into the tree so hard, causing debris to fly everywhere. When paramedics arrived, the Mustang driver was miraculously okay and seemingly uninjured.
It's very controversial day. It really is, and I really want to know how you feel about it, Rachel.
So it's not controversial.
Oh, it is.
It's not. It's how you're presenting it.
National Candy Corn Day.
Oh, I like candy corn.
No!
It's addicting. Like,
It is.
it's not something I eat.
This
and
clip
I
is a
go,
great example as to why you should drive with extra caution on wet roads. The driver had hydroplaned due to poor drainage on the road, resulting in the loss of control and slamming into the barrier. The camera and others stopped to help. The other driver rolled through a yield sign and totaled the camera's car. This is why yielding properly and only proceeding when it's clear and safe to do so is extremely important.
Is there any truth to that claim?
Yes, I've been talking about markers all day today. Certainly, I want to validate voters who have concerns about how it's being counted.
Seemingly, the driver failed to properly yield to oncoming traffic, causing this head-on collision. One should only turn when they are 100% sure it's completely safe to do so.
Whoa.
The blue sedan driver ahead failed to pay attention to what was directly in front of him, rear-ending the car in front, almost causing a major pileup. The Lexus driver sped up as soon as he saw an opening and went way above the speed limit. The karma cop saw this and instantly pulled him over.
Faster, cleaner, less invasive, and at a fraction of the cost of a data replacement. Stop tripping over on the day I went to see Dr. Robin Carson at Carson Hearing Care in Fort Worth. With a simple hearing evaluation, she recommended hearing aids from Widex. The first hearing aid that doesn't sound like a hearing aid, delivering a more pure, natural sound, and even better, they're so struggling with batteries. They're rechargeable. Find out if the Widex moment is right for you by scheduling an appointment today.
Okay, Garmin.
And just life in general, the things that we experience with them, the things we go through. We talk like we're just talking as girlfriends sitting around having coffee. So, obviously our boys can wine. Yeah, or wine. Right? Come up and we talk about the band, but we're talking about them because they're our children and that's what is in their life and that's what they're doing. But we talk about our other kids too and all the things they're going through, and us as friends.
The oncoming driver to the left of the camera failed to stop at the red light, T-boning the camera's vehicle.
Why are they going backwards?
I don't know. What are you...
This driver pulled the same stunt with the other drivers too after the camera proceeded. Do you think this was a case of potential insurance fraud? Let me know what you think down below. The driver who was trying to turn failed to check his sides and mirrors before doing so, causing the truck behind him to clip him. I'm unsure what's going on here, but it seems as though the truck driver and the white SUV driver were road raging. I don't know what they were trying to accomplish, but clearly road rage accomplishes absolutely nothing. The driver failed to yield at the roundabout, nearly causing the camera to hit her, but since the camera was alert, an accident was prevented. The next Bambi clip may not be suitable to all viewers. If you'd like to skip it, please fast forward 25 seconds from now. Bambi was chilling in the middle of the road and then decided to jolt back instead of going forward, getting hit by the car. This is a great example of expecting the unexpected. The camera was turning, but did so a little too close to the plastic barriers. That little mistake damaged his mirror, causing $550 in damages. The driver turned from the right turn only lane all the way left. On a scale of 1 to 10, how oblivious is this driver? The white SUV driver pulled out directly in front of oncoming traffic, causing this collision. Had that driver waited until it was clear to proceed, this could have been easily prevented. The turning driver failed to yield to oncoming traffic, sideswiping the oncoming car. The driver allegedly then decided to commit a hit and run.